Welcome heroes to my channel. Some of you may have seen this in my last video. I have a new car and this is quite an unusual one. Yeah, this is a Chevy van, a 91 Chevy G20 conversion van. These conversion vans had their time, especially in the 80s, end of the 70s, and were continued until I would say late 90s. What I already did yesterday, I flooded parts of the body structure with wax to ensure that the condition stays as it is. But when you start to dig deeper, you find something to do. As an example, when you remove the cover from the running boards, you find 33-year-old dust, and this is one job to do. I already did something in the interior. One example of modifications in the interior was that the previous owner added some additional instruments here mounted on a piece of wood. You see here some remaining marks. I tried to remove them as good as possible. The rest of the interior is in pretty decent condition. A lot of these conversion vans were also modified as a mobile home. Some of the extras here were quite unusual to have in a car. For example, there's a TV in here and this is still working. You don't see that much from the engine when you open the hood. So back there is the V8 350 cubic inch or 5.7 liters. It already has a catalytic converter, but here in Germany, since it's over 30 years old, it's considered as a classic car. There are some minor issues to solve. So for example, some of the seals are in a bad condition and will be replaced, or the electric motor for the right hand side electric window does not work that good anymore. I will replace this. The tail lights, they have some broken plastic parts here and there and will be also replaced. First job for today will be the restoration of these running boards here. They were not properly attached. The running boards are restored now. I used plumper screws. They are made of stainless steel and have this rubber seal. And I used 3M tape here. I removed the left taillight, and what you see there is the isolation for the cabin. So it's actually built like a camper van and with a lot of wood and screws. So the build quality is, I would say, typical for such kind of conversion vans.